So this is where you need some help. I got my wife to help me release the cables from the mechanism, and you can see there it's taped up. And then we go back to the door, and you'll see now now what I need to do is obviously release the regulator. So that's a number 10, that's a number 10. So I'm just using a number 10 socket on this. Gets me into the door lock mechanism. Yeah, I can feel the door lock mechanism. Feel this one's meant to be quite easy to take off. So what I've now got to do is I've now got to try and take the mechanism off here and release it from here, and then take off the door latch from here as well. So there's several bits and pieces which obviously in and around. So first of all is the ECU itself. Just have a bottom clip. Okay, so that's that bit taken off. I'd say to take this bit out, but you see there's a clip here. It might give me a bit more space. Yeah, it does give me a bit more space. So. This is a torque, it looks like to be a T30. Now let's take the T30. Shouldn't be too hard to take this out. Okay, let me get the camera and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so there are the plastic clips. I've just released it. You can just about see, and you can see the mechanism there, which is obviously the forward and close. Right, well, that was a bit of an annoying outcome. There's the old unit, here's the new unit. You can see the silver little mechanism with the pull cable there. I managed to break a little metal clip that slots this in, and I've jerry-rigged this up so that I can actually put it in the car and wait and order another part. So that means I'm going to take the door to pieces again. If you look at this one, you can see there's a little nipple there. I tried to take it out while in situ of the car. I should have left it in place until I'd taken it off, while I was trying to take this part off and removing this part of the mechanism, which was the door lock, which actually was relatively easy once you get some help. And in the process I broke the cable, so I'm going to have to spend £8 to order another cable and hopefully replace that later on. But the solution is this, not elegant. It just holds the cable over the top. It's just using garden cable. I've managed to check the mechanism to see that it locks okay. I can pull the cable. If you look, you can see I can pull it okay, and at the moment obviously the door's not in the lock situation, so I can't lock the door at the moment until the door is actually in the lock position. So I will fit this all up, and I will fit it in here. This is where the door lock mechanism is. This is the little guy that gets put into the lock from the door. It's tricky, but if you get two people to help you, it's not too bad, which I'll do. Well, the door's back together now, so I'm going to lock the car, as you can see there, and all looks good and working. And again, now we can see the door mechanism opening up. So I fixed it. I broke the cable, but I think certainly that interim fix will obviously hold it for a while. I'll order another cable, and if the door becomes a problem, then I may well change the cable as and when. But so far so good. I can unlock the door. Door's unlocked, and you can see we're all back together. There's the old mechanism. It's all together.